Step 1. Measure the installation dimensions and the flatness of the wall and ground to ensure the verticality of the installation dimensions and the wall. If the inclination angle of the wall or ground is too large, corresponding adjustments should be made. Step 2. Assembly framework. Tighten the top guide rail and left-right profiles with screws. Tighten the bottom guide rail and left-right profiles with screws. Step 3. Install the frame. Place the assembled frame in the installation position and measure the verticality with a level gauge. Use a pencil to mark the punching position of the profile. Remove the frame and use an impact drill to drill holes at the marked positions. Use a rubber hammer to drive the expanded rubber particles into the screw hole position. Move the frame to the corresponding marked positions of screw hole and lock it with screws. Step 4. Assembly the movable glass. For the installation of shaft assembling, tighten the screw with an Allen wrench. Step 5. Assembly the fixed glass. Use a rubber hammer to clip the alloyed aluminum transom into the fixed glass. Step 6. Install the fixed glass and movable glass. Clip the fixed glass on both sides into the profiles on both sides of the frame. Install the movable door. Install the bottom shaft base to the corresponding position of the bottom guide rail, tighten it with screws, and then insert the bottom shaft of the movable glass component into the bottom shaft base. Install the upper shaft base to the position of upper screw hole position for guide rail, and fix with screws. Clip the decorative cover assembly into the profiles on both sides of the frame. Step 7. Install the handle and apply glue. Apply glass adhesive to the joint between the profile and the two walls and stone foundation, and wait the solidification of glass adhesive completely around 24 hours till it can be used normally with water.